Hey there and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. Today I have some shocking news to share with you all. Evernote, one of the most popular note-taking apps, just sent me an email this morning telling me that they will be increasing their pricing by nearly 100%. Yes, you heard it right, almost double the price. As expected, this news didn't go well with the Evernote community and I decided to post about it on Reddit. I received a lot of feedback from the Reddit community and one of the comments I received was, what does the user get in return? Well, and my answer was simple, higher monthly bills. Because I'm not aware of any major new feature announcements that would justify this price increase. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below this video. But to get a sense of how our community feels about this announcement, I started a poll on YouTube asking if you would continue to use Evernote after the price hike or if you would leave for an alternative. And the response so far has been pretty devastating for Evernote. Within the first hour we see that 90% of the voters said they would break up with Evernote and look for an alternative. I know that many of you might be confused about what to do if you decide to leave Evernote. That's why we have started a discussion inside our Paperless Movement membership where we will talk about how our members are using Evernote and what alternatives they have found. If you're looking for guidance on what to do next, we are here to help. If you're not a member yet, you can sign up for free and join the discussion today. But for now, inside our community, I personally voted that I'm still using Evernote for one simple reason, which is saving my paper document scans to get them as searchable PDFs. I don't use Evernote for note-taking or task management, it's simply my document dump that helps me to retrieve documents I've uploaded in the past 10 years in no time. One alternative would be DevonThink, and I know there are many of our members using it as an Evernote alternative that has the same OCR capabilities, so I'm considering switching to DevonThink now. However, I also have high hopes that ClickUp 3.0 will deliver on their promise to add such search capabilities too. I understand that this is not the only use case to use Evernote for. And when it comes to knowledge management, there are a lot more options out there. The key is to understand what you really need those tools for. And if you want to read more about this topic, our co-founder Paco Cantero, who is exclusively writing for our Paperless Movement members, recently published an article where he explains in detail why he left Evernote and what his opinion is on my video where I shared my reasoning why I think Evernote is dying in 2023. I believe that this news will affect many of you, and I encourage you to share this video with anyone who might be impacted by these changes. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you stay updated on any future developments with Evernote. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up next time with more news on the world of productivity.
Paperless Movement, your productivity, your way.